you guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a deep cleaning my living room video. So this was requested by a couple of you guys to show me deep cleaning my living room. And this was a perfect time because I'm actually starting my spring cleaning and my spring cleaning series here on YouTube. So we're just going to go ahead and start with this room. So the first thing I'm going to do now that we do have a puppy and we keep the crate in the living room and we are crate training. So the first thing I'm going to do is take it apart so I can clean it, and then I'm also grabbing his bedding and his blankets and all of that stuff so I can just go and wash everything in the wash machine. So I am going to be using my laundry additive. It is a product from a company called Odor Klenz. I have worked with them before and they're just a really awesome company with natural products that work. So this actually removes like any kind of smell, any pee smell, pet odors or anything from your blankets, your clothes, your towels, all of that stuff. So I swear by this. This is what I use. So I actually have a link in my description box if you wanted to go and check them out. So I like to start cleaning from the top to the bottom if I am like really going to be deep cleaning a room. So right here I am dusting the ceiling, kind of that wall area where there might be any cobwebs, any like dust buildup, stuff like that. So I really like this duster. I will try and find the company that I got this duster from and put it in the description box later. I don't remember the name of the company, but it's really convenient. It's a really like convenient little tool that I like to use around my house in really high places or hard to reach places. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take everything off of our little entertainment center here, all the decor pieces. I'm going to remove Ava's toys from the area, just kind of clean the space so it's open and easier for me to clean and attack. And then here I'm going to go ahead and pull the couches, kind of move them around. I want to deep clean underneath them. They are really messy and dirty and dusty and hair and all kinds of things under there. So that is what I'm doing here. So the next thing I'm doing is washing the windows. I just went ahead and used my Grove Concentrate Glass Cleaner, and I am just doing a quick wipe down of the windows. So now we're going to go ahead and go back to the entertainment center. I don't know why I filmed it that way or what I was doing. That was sporadic. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and just dust it, clean it, and wipe it down. I am using also the Glass Grove Concentrate for the entertainment center also. Alright. Wanna be with you, do you? And then I love this little piece of decor here I got from Hobby Lobby. So what I am going to do for my deep cleaning that I don't usually do is go behind the TV and clean all of the cords. I wipe them down. They're kind of covered in dust and our little Cox TV box and everything. So right here, me and Ava are having a dance party because the music was blasting on our Alexa. So that's what we're doing like basically throughout this whole video is breaking out and dance. That's just what we do. So another thing that I don't do all the time is kind of clean the legs of our table. I need to do that more often, but there are like some little spills from like Ava's juice I noticed. Like you could barely see it, but it's there. So I attacked that area, got it all cleaned up. So now I'm going to go ahead and just use my Bona sweeper or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and sweep up this whole mess. We have like little toys and old hair ties and lots of dust and hair. So I'm getting that dusted and swept up and everything. Okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. Sorry that the lighting was kind of bad here. It was super sunny, and when I'm close to the windows, it kind of just messes up the lighting for you guys on the video. And I do have my windows open. I like to open up my windows during this time because as you can see, there's like a lot of dust flying around, a lot of dirt and all of those things. It's really bad for our allergies and just bad for us to breathe in general. So I do open all the windows up and kind of let everything air out a bit.
Stars are in light, the weeper, we would know. I've been told that the fire's old, and when stars are in light, the weeper, we would know. As a sliver of your mind.
So what I'm going to use here is my little duster from Target, and I'm just going to kind of dust off these leaves. It wasn't an easy job at all because the buildup on it makes it kind of hard, but that's why I was kind of like grabbing it and scraping the duster on every leaf. So right now I'm going to go ahead and push all of the furniture in the middle of the room because I am using my magic eraser and I'm cleaning the baseboards with the magic eraser. So now I'm going to go ahead and take all my pillows off and all the couch cushions and go ahead and vacuum underneath the cushions. I'm going to vacuum the cushions. We're going to get all of that cleaned up because I do not do that enough, and hint, that is why this is a spring cleaning. So right here I actually switched connectors because this one was just not working for me at all. So I went ahead and put the little brush connector on, and it made my job so much easier. So now we're going to go ahead and clean the crate. I took the connectors off and I just started with vacuuming around it. There was tons of hair, and we have a lab. So for those of you that don't know, we have a lab and he kind of sheds. So I'm vacuuming that up, and then I am going to go in and use a vinegar and essential oil, a mix that I made. And I like to use that in places like where he's sleeping and breathing, and then also like in our refrigerator, our microwave. That's where I'll really use like a vinegar and essential oil mixture. And then right here I'm kind of cleaning the sides of the crate and everything, just because there's kind of like hair buildup and everything. So that's what I'm doing here. There's Remy right there trying to say hi. So we're going to go ahead and just mop the floor. I am using my spray and mop, and then I'm also using a Bona product. That's just better for our laminate floors, and that is what was told what we needed to use. So that's what I'm using right here.
I wanna pull over and pick a 4-leaf clover. I want you to kiss me, diss me, and say you really miss me. We can watch stars, yeah. We can dance on top of cars, yeah. We can make billions, not zillions.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this first video of my spring cleaning series. Let us know down in the comments below if you have started your guys' spring cleaning yet. I would love to know, and I will see you guys down in the comments. I love you so much, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel. Bye.